The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 2. Yeah, it was a mid-table clash. You could see ngendlela ebekudlala ngayo, it's number 8 up against number 9. Or was it number 9 or against number 10? It's number 9 and number 10. It's
with number 8.
Chiefs were number 8, but now they're number 9 with the log. Marumo Gallants are number 10. Marumo Gallants are behind the Chiefs. Chippa United are number 8 on the log. I think the PSL still needs to update the log. Agunjal.
I know already by update.
So by active already.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
updated.
so now
It's
Kaizer
updated.
Chiefs have 30 points in 25 games. They just lost a game namhlanje. They haven't won in 6 games. But they are through to the Nedbank Cup final. They can take motivation from that to go to they are through to the Nedbank Cup final. But Ipeto Premiership namhlanje FNB Bobo. Kaizer Chiefs have lost yet another game. 11th loss of the season. 11th of the season. Madukubulisa mfowethu. Kunjani?
Shane ngiyaphila mfowethu kunjani?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
I'm getting better mhlobo.
Shane. Ithi ngibulise before ngiza lapho.
I'm getting better mhlobo.
Yazi before ngibulise Shane.
Yeah.
Bangibuzile izolo ukuthi kanti why uhlukubeza uShane waye ungatshelanga uMestenkeu angamsebenzisi ngalesa sikhathi. Bathi bakubonile ukuthi
Umesenkewa I used to think ukuthi uyangithanda. Akasangithanda.
wakuletha izolo ukuthi vele uzoma la.
Wangifaka edyukhwini wathi ngena pha mfana. Awuzanga zodlala ejob
But
ngena
ijob,
pha.
right?
Hayi job.
Yeah,
Ijob. I had to be here.
And akusuwe wedwa ngizwa manje ilegend uTsovila kazi
Hey legend yami yakhala.
weekend guys. Uthaya kulunge ngapha la ngapha ngithi ngifika ngapha kuyafana.
Kuthiwa kushaywe i-team yenhliziyo kwashaya ne-team yasekhaya. So, eish.
Yeah kunzima but inhlanhla cause kuwine team ayidlalele nayo. So at least mina siduduze ngedowns. Yabona. So Shane ithi ngibulise uTK lapha ngibulise nawe ngibulise uNkululeko uLindo no Junior notso ngibulise kanye futhi noMachaka Chucks and Chucks.
Madoda.
Yeah akukho lula Shane kuhleli kabi so wethoma ungabheka isimo asikho right so wethu Shane asikho right angeke ukufihle lokho Shane
Bobo wenzani?
ubonile ucoach after ifinal whistle ukuthi uhluthukile angazi ubuye ngasiphi isikhathi kuzoyenza interview kusho kona ukuthi no man ezinye izinto man Shane uyabona ukuthi hayi akulunge man ngiyamzwela mina ucoach Nabi Shane for Kaizer Chiefs 11 loss akusinto mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi ngenzeka uma ungabheka coach Nabi ubuya neteam ku pre-season bebahambile bayashaya pre-season ngaphandle kwe continent so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bese expect something engathi mhlawumbe izoyenzeka engcono Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bekungasi team esicabanga ukuthi ingaba ilwela leya top 8 njengamanje so but ifootball injalo Shane because uma ungabuka iChiefs icale kahle the first 10-15 minutes ukuze uLilepo azokora lela goal iChiefs ibedlala right what a goal Shane uma ungabheka individual brilliant bheka lapho uLilepo asuke khona uceda abadlali abawu3 wes4 ufuna ukuzicommitta wamkhipha endleleni yakhe waplace ngelinye igoli elihle uLilepo alishayile Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi after lela goal iKaizer Chiefs ayizange sadlala the way bengicabanga ngathi ingadlala ngakhona
uChucks uthe contender for goal of the season.
Yeah ingaba yiyo because ngibonile nomdu uke wathatha enye ngoDecember igoal of the month la wayisha khona abadlala neChipa nayo le ngiyayibona kule goal of the month izoba khona ngendlela ngibona ngakhona so angimsoli uChucks so mina Shane into engibonile ukuthi Chiefs the way ibedlala ngakhona Shane siyambona ucoach namhlanje uletha uCross udlale kahle kakhulu namhlanje uCross lapha kule center left udlala nomdlalo ofana noQuinika ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way adlala ngakhona cross ngathi umdlali ojwayele ukudlala kule position because ucomfortable ebholeni mawungambona decision making umbonile nala khona kumama 1v1 uyakhona ukuthi aguide iopponent you understand so kusho kona ukuthi uletha umdlalo ofana noSolomon ngaleka right la sibone khona bekumdlalo ongathi uyemole akhuphuke then uMashiyane angizange ngimbone going forward chain uma ngathi nje ngakhuluma iqiniso uMashiyane bekahleli nje kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe lo bekagade lela side like a cross because of maybe cross uyaqala kudlala kule center back I don't know but bekangakhuphuka uMashiyane la kunocele khona adlala nobani noButmart simbonile ucaptain my captain bagcina bamsusa lapha kuleya central midfield bamletha ku right back bakhipha umdlalo ofana noSolomon I don't know ukuthi ile yellow card or ilela goal eliceda ukkorwa uMthiyane because ngibone kwangathi udefend bad kuleya goal because ungene phakathi kakhulu washiya umdlalo ofana nomsendane and uyabona ukuthi umsendane umdlali oyingozi kakhulu I don't think ukuthi bekumele ukuthi ushiya umdlalo ofana nomsendane kuleya side ngiyacabanga maybe ucoach angaba mdonsele lento I don't know or ile yellow card ukuthi sedlala under pressure because umdlalo ofana nomsendane uloku yamlanda akamnikezi chance so bekunzima for ubona ukuthi banga defender kule mdlalo ofana naloya because uma ungambheka umsendane une energy uyakhona ukuthi uma bamba ibhola decision making
and ngingaqolanga bomzini do you think mhlambi ibikhona instruction from ucoach weGalants ukuthi uMatt makamlande because he's not a natural right back because second half umsendame ubonile first half abebonakala bedlala in patches but class second half abesika iphethe ibhola bengakhathi inside he will challenge uMatt meaning that mhlambi bikhona mhlambi instruction ukuthi take him on because he's not comfortable as a right back
ngiyacabanga because first half mawungabheka bekazama ukuthi mazama ukukhatha in athola umdlalo ofana noNemtejane la kulo number 10 uyazi kahle ukuthi okay banomdlalo ofana noNhlapo nalo jersey number 8 angathi umlokodi obani odlala lapha ku central midfield bekazama ukujoina kulabo badlali but second half njengoba usho kuMarti kwangathi instruction uyitholile ukuthi no akekho mnandi uMarti ukuthi angaba comfortable kuleya position so give credit kuye umsendamo udlale kahle kakhulu Shane nayo umdlalo ofana noNemtejane badlale kahle kakhulu uDion asimbonanga because leyo mhlambe creativity yokuthi mhlamba ngadlala uDion uyamazi ugood enhloko most of the time sigcine sibona bamdonsa bafaka umdlalo ofana noKhumalo so kusho kona ukuthi ucoach beka planile nayo igame yakhe ukuthi okay sidlala ngale 4-2-3-1 but sizosebenzisa uDion lapha phambili even though uDion angazange ahlukumeze ngale ndlela because sibonile ukuthi abo cross beba comfortable bebonakala ukuthi abanayo leyo pressure maybe if engabe unemdlali ofana uba lentwana strike which is number 7 uMarumo Gallants lo hluphayo lo basemalawi uMango if uMango bekakhona maybe ngathi ngaba i-threat kulabo abadlali but sibanikeza i-credit badlale kahle kakhulu Shane even though bangaba bana lawo ma mistake but for me ngibone badlala kahle kakhulu la khona coach weChiefs ngibone yazi Shane ngifuna ukusho something yazi ungazubone two ema team athi umadlala bonke abadlala badlala i-double pivot bazoba substitute or baba change baba mikise somewhere kunenkinga uMarti uphumile kuleya position ucele bamphula out and I don't know ukuthi ucele mhlawumbe kungani mhlawumbe unenoko ezinye izinto singabona ngathi mhlawumbe ucoach kanti kunama injuries amanye angeke mhlawumbe siwabona then sibona nayo iMarumo Gallants ikhipha umdlalo ofana noNhlapo yamkhipha lentwana ethi number 8 engikutshela ngayo yaletha abanye abadlali abawu2 la khona sibona baletha umdlalo ofana noNange naye akayenzelanga nix iMarumo Gallants after uNange angenile yila khona sibona iChiefs iletha abadlali abafana nabo bani nabo Ngcobo la khona uNgcobo udlale kahle kakhulu uNgcobo kufika kwakhe ngibonile amathashisi wakhe bekayo lidemanda and going forward bekazama ukuthi ajoine nabadlali abafana nabo bani uba nentwana ofana nabo uDuba uDuba into engimthandela yona ngiyacabanga lo mfana uhlangana phe kakhulu Shane and into engimthandayo ngoJuba ifinishing yakaDuba eish inhle kakhulu Shane akusimdlali mhlawumbe ongathi ngama 1 v1 mabhekane no goalkeeper angageja akusilula because siyambona nakulela goal eliceda kushaya uLilep umbonile besiceda ukukhuluma ngaye uyabona ukuthi uLilep uyeza uza kutarget beka usithathela uwalk uyaphuma lapha ku target i-defend yenzani siyambona uMthiyami yamlandela banosbi bamlandela ukuthi okay nayo opponent ithathe run but ngibona ubuhlanganipha ngokomdlalo ofana noDuba so ngiyacabanga going forward man umdlalo ofana noDuba usazobanikeza something mina I thought uzodlala kulela side but sibone kuze uDuBreeze naye ongazange ukuthi uBreeze anikeze iChiefs next ngibone elinye ibhola elivelile elifana mhlawumbe ecishe nalela la kaMayela la izolo ukuthi bekumele ukuthi at least amana alithinte nje lihlale neteam but unfortunately alizange uDuBreeze ayenze njalo coach uyamkhipha same time. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uPreeze ustrugglishe kakhulu today ukuthi angadlala Shane.
Are you talking about Innocent Mayela? Oh.
Shane ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyakutraumatize uma ngikhuluma ngo-Innocent Mayela. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kunzima Shane for yena because ubonile ukuthi beka Vruvaya i-defense Orlando Pirates bekangayinikeza ukuthula Shane. Angifuni singene kakhulu Orlando Pirates silana namhlanje eFNB la khona iChiefs icede ukubuza kuMarumo Gallants Shane.
Ngizakuthola bo. Ngizakuthola.
Ngiyezwa bathi
Mara talking about Utuba, you made a very important point ngaye, but namhlanje also was also silly. But on the other side, Tau Jonga, he got a yellow card namhlanje, meaning that he's missing a derby next week. Probably he's fixing his card so that he can be ready for the final because Kaizer Chiefs next game, they are playing Pirates next week at derby. Then they will play the final. So maybe the card namhlanje, maybe it was deliberate. We don't know. But normally we see these things.
Mara Shane, ibalekile le 3 points Orlando Pirates. Ngiya understand abayifuna le trophy Nedbank, but le 3 point Orlando Pirates la Chiefs imekhona kule position. Akusi position right ukuthi Chiefs ingasa choose abadlali ukuthi ba choose ama game. Ngiya understand ukuthi Nedbank izoletha something enkulu ku Kaizer Chiefs. Njengoba ngisho ngithi kuqualifyela ukudlala ifinal kubenze ukuthi badlale ku CAF and kubenze ukuthi badlale le final. So nayo le game eSundowns ibakhohlisile kancane kwangathi Kaizer Chiefs yenza kahle. Mina ngifuna ukufihla. I'm not saying abayenzanga kahle ukuthi bawine game eSundowns, but after winning their game na before bawina le game bebangadlali kamnandi. But because of sizobona uma icede uwin igame eSundowns sizobona ngathi Chiefs yenza kahle ayenzi kahle. iChiefs iwina la ungacabanganga ukuthi izowina khona, but la ucabanga ukuthi iChiefs izowina khona ayivamisile ukuthi ingawina. So kusanenkinga angimsoli ucoach Nabi the way aba frustrated ngakhona Shane.
Thank you so much, Bobsin. Thank you so much, and also for traumatizing me a day after Intlekele. But FNB namhlanje is Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 2. Thank you so much for watching Ituski TV.